It's so funny. The only reason I sent it in DMs is because that account is very
Ah. Alright,
we don't want
let's see if your
small
logic
children going there.
applies. I will fucking rip your ass out, Jack. It's not compatible.
Why are you ripping my asshole out?
You told me to put the other shotgun away because you said, you were sure these fit in this gun.
I said it probably takes the same ammo, you dingle. It doesn't?
No, it doesn't.
You know, did it have 12 bullets and then you shot 2 and tried to put them in there?
Look.
It has 10 bullets in it. That might be them. Did you already shoot some bullets to get rid of them, to try and put new ones in? The question.
No, why would I do that? I need these, probably.
It's probably fully loaded then, you dingle.
No, because if it were, it would switch out the bullets into a different pack.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, well.
Wait, I need to take
There's 12 gauge.
Richard's. Oh, poor Richard.
It's Richard's shotgun.
Okay, where the hell is the chamber in this thing?
Richard's shotgun, which you get a hell of a lot earlier. And that's the chamber. That's where you put the bullets in. But
There was something in the other room that I think goes to this, but I couldn't be too sure.
yeah, you get Richard's shotgun way earlier in Jill's story.
Yeah, isn't it after you fight Yawn the first time?
Who joined?
Oh, hello? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I think it's in here. It's Timber.
Hello.
Hello. Here, this right here. I feel like it goes to this. There's only one way to know. Where's my wireless mouse? I think now would be a good time for me to pull out that self-defense gun, and I have Jack to thank for it.
Oh, are you complaining about the fact that you have to go back to get your other shotgun because the
No,
shotgun
I'm
that you
I'm
got
complaining about the image you sent me.
Oh, that. Sorry. It's funny though. It's so funny.
No, what? Ah, fuck! That's what I get for being a whiny, complainy bitch.
The snake has grabbed your neck.
I'm surprised it didn't break my neck in the process.
It's fucked.
I guess it really was trying to go for breakneck speed. But You're wanting me to pull the self-defense gun out now, aren't you? No regrets. You had better be hoping that there is a item box down there, buddy. You know what? This is also a good place for me to save. Magnum rounds. Ooh. Oh. Well, goddamn, mystery solved.
Also, sorry if I'm super quiet, because I'm also still working on things. So I'm just vibing.
You good?
Yeah, I'm quiet because I'm just like sitting here pondering for a minute.
Also, CJ?
That's a mood. Huh? Yeah?
Something you could probably do tomorrow is you could probably like look back on what's already happened at Stripes and take note of it so you don't have to do a huge amount of typing again. You could just kind of stay a bit caught up.
That is a mood. I will try and do that. Still gotta finish up this present for friend. I have other thing I gotta do. Then I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Some items I should do on a different thing.
Oh shit, I thought that was a stalactite. That's a
I
giant
have to
Neptune.
clean stuff out of the garage. I don't want to do that. It's not fun to clean the garage.
Oof.
I have to find some missing bowls because there's bowls missing. I don't know where they are. I don't want to go looking for those bowls.
I feel very, very, very uneasy. I don't like sharks, especially not big ones. You better
Well,
be.
without them, we wouldn't probably. Our ecosystem would probably be broken. So.
Well,
I
zombified
mean,
sharks are
sharks are
even
not
worse.
wasps.
Oh, if they're zombified, then fuck them.
Yeah, you just stay dead. You're probably not dead, but you're gonna be. Because you know what happens to those who cross. What's this? Oh!
I gotta be
Roy
worried.
actively freaking out because there's a giant shark in his face. Anyway, be back in a sec.
Of course.
Oh right, I gotta.
We're about to have some fried
Course.
sushi, folks. Hasta la vista,
Looks like
bitch.
I'm just gonna stand in the bit.
Deep sixed.
Are you doing the thingy? The plant thingy?
Yep.
I did that earlier. What are you gonna put down?
I put in stressed.
What's the mood? How am I back? Why?
Yeah, I'm just feeling a bit. Yeah, tonight.
Aw. You know what? I know exactly what you need.
Oh my god. That is very cursed.
My friend dared me to do it. Which is why I mentioned him in the tweet.
There we go. Oh my
Aww.
goodness.
Wholesome 100.
Wholesome, very wholesome. Kaylin, you are a god. Thank you.
I wouldn't
You're
say
welcome.
God.
I have a lot of other weapons, so we'll just. The residence key. Everyone's gone quiet.
Oh yeah, I have.
And art.
I am
Trans.
just here.
Fuck. Okay then. This is just adorable. Man, why do I keep finding the cute
So
stuff?
so for a long time, I've been having my own idea for a multiplayer horror game.
That shit right there is deadly. You can't just be whipping that bitch out on someone. Ooh, wait a minute.
I don't remember that window being open.
It's out of context and shit. Maybe walk past it. It'd be funny. I
Okay,
don't
never
remember
good.
that window being open. Whips out gun.
Gotta have your eyes peeled like an onion. Anything can happen in this game. Anything at all.
CJ keeps leaving and then rejoining and then leaving and then rejoining. They still haven't undeafened or unmuted in the 4 times they've done it. So what's the point?
I don't know.
Baby, been endowed by the gods. Why would you want to get rid of it?
I'm probably
Out of
gonna
context.
die.
It's so that entire statement was so out of context, but I'm not giving your viewers the context. They don't deserve it.
Giant spiders, I don't like giant spiders, I don't like giant spiders. Oh wait, is this not the right room?
Oop, oop.
Is this not the right room? Hello?
I'm still here.
No, this is oh god, it's trying to spray at me. Okay, no. You
Poured it on you.
son of a tit bag. Okay, I'm fine.
Bitch, did you just call it a tit bag?
Yes.
Nah.
I wonder, should I not?
I mean, you might as well test it out.
Yeah. Plus,
At
it might
least.
kill it very quickly. Come here, fucker.
Right, fuck boy.
Why are you moonwalking?
You shot it so hard that it decided to walk backwards. Lamau.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus! Shot its ass out. Bro. No, technically, you shot its
Ugh.
brain case out, since that's where a spider's brain is.
Ugh.
Why is it still gushing? That's fucking weird.
Ew. Well, it works, I guess.
Oh, it's a room. Damn.
Hello. I will take you, beautiful. Not yet.
See into it. That's gross.
It's not lit, huh? Well, allow me to fix that.
Can it get lit?
A
Up in this
strange
bitch?
silhouette hovers in... Ooh.
Puzzle element.
Could it have some kind of meaning? Timber, weren't you gonna write something, but then you got distracted? In response to KK?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
There's
I'm
another.
sorry.
There's another spider up. Wait, is this? This is where I. Wait, there's another spider up there. There's another goddamn spider.
There's a little lesson in death.
Can
See?
Can I kill it from here? No,
Oh.
because I'm aiming way too high up.
Responded. I am so sorry. I was
It's all good.
Yeah.
I read that as. Oh, hello there, KK. Come to Snuggie.
That's more better than what I said. That is way better.
What the fuck did I just do? Oh, that's really cute, actually.
An advertisement for an arm wrestling contest. The winner will be named Chief for a Day of the Raccoon Police Department. That's fucking stupid.
It would win that just so I could tell cops to fuck off, Lamau.
What is this? Man, what a... Why couldn't I have just... Oh.
Okay then.
Why couldn't I have just gotten 8 inventory spaces? Bandage with blood.
Rain really said, profile on?
Gimme the book. Gimme the book. Gimme the book. Bandage with blood.
You nerd.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yes.
Please don't tell me there's a library in here. Oh look, it's all the fucks I give anymore.
I've no more fucks to give. My fucks have runneth dry. I went to go fuck shopping, and there's no more fucks to buy.
Hey wait. Maybe this book was written with lemon juice.
Yeah, is there a room with dark lights? Or, UV lights?
Maybe. I think that'd be really cool if there was like a puzzle where it's like the book smells of lemon juice and you have to like kind of figure it out. That one has 2 eyelashes. How many did the other one have?
Bitch, I don't fucking know.
The
You're
other
asking
one
me this like I was
had
supposed to know.
4. So
It's literally just the eye of the Sheikah, but that's not the point.
blank
The eye
eye,
of
4
truth.
eyelashes.
Cheese of truth.
A leather jacket. Part of it had been burned by acid. Gross. And that one has an eye and 2 eyelashes. I will remember those details. Why do I need to see a poster of devil thick thighs?
Maybe that's not thighs. That is cheekage. Pure ass.
That's gonna go right
It
over
is.
here.
That is a dumper beyond numbers. Interact with it. I want to see if he has something to say about it.
And that's just...
No eyelashes.
With the slit eye. Okay.
Snake eye.
Nothing.
No, he has nothing to say about it. Okay, cool. I'm staring.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, I think I get it. I think I get it.
Puzzle's coming in.
It's the color. It's the color and the number of eyelashes. So this one had 2. So green 2, red 4, and then black 0. I'm a genius. Oh wait, I don't like you very much. You're fucking ugly. Wait, can I?
Damn, dude, that's fucking rude.
Can I?
I ever do. Oh wait, you're talking to an enemy.
I can.
He's just gone.
It's like it just comes charging up the stairs. Okay. I need to get... Fuck, what's the stick called?
Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you. 2, 3, 4, 6. So... Right.
Did you find all of the lanterns? Is
I
the question.
believe I did.
Empty guitar case.
Okay. I don't think there's any particular order I need to hit these, or maybe there is. Because if it lists all the balls, I need to figure out which proper order to hit them.
Balls! Balls.
What color is this one?
Orange.
Orange, okay.
Right there, that's orange.
So there's... Okay, yeah. Red, green, orange. So... But... Wait a minute. Maybe I just have to remember the numbers. 3, 6, 5. Maybe. I'm going.
Fighter.
I'm going.
I'm in pain.
Oh, I've been
In
poisoned.
danger. Oh. I've
That's-
been impaled.
Unprinted book. You know what? Fuck it, I gotta fucking heal first. That's what I get. That's karma. That's karma for interacting with an enemy that wasn't even in my way.
Yep.
I don't
was just
understand
chilling.
poison in this game. Does it just gradually do damage? Slowly?
Yeah.
No. I'm in danger.
Bitch. No, your ass didn't just. That shit. Or I could hear it.
No. There we go.
Nah, you're fine.
Wait. Oh. It's a book with a red cover. Yeah.
Okay,
Can I pull it out,
I
please?
think I've created the character. I believe so.
Nice 360 flip. Oh, cool.
Wait, I believe so. I'm not sure.
Wait. Me brain just think idea do thing. Mihoy minoi.
Yep, I did. Character
your ass
AI.
didn't just...
The AI has been created, Kaylin. Enjoy.
Yay! And yes, Jack, I did say mihoy minoi. What's over here? Nothing.
Doodle Bob.
That's scary accurate. Oh fuck you, game. Man, forget Hungry Healer. That shit is scary.
Hungry Healer isn't scary anyways.
To some, it might be.
To some, they're fucking pussies.
Let me see if
I don't get it. What was I supposed to do?
Alright, there we go. I'm gonna send it in
Not
VC
be good.
chat.
Alright. Oh, you're back up there again. Well, I shall leave you to your devices, good sir. Wait, what's this? Oh, wait. Should I? Yes, I should. It was quiet for like God knows how long. You're like, who's the server father? I don't know.
like you left times and came back, and you were still deaf and muted. But all of a sudden, you just fucking
Sudden CJ
I
appearance.
cannot. I cannot. Wild CJ encounter.
A wild CJ appeared.
I don't know how to
CJ, use Shadow Sneak. It's super effective.
CJ used anxiety.
Anyway,
attack.
how's it going?
Hurt itself in confusion.
Well, Timber has made a Timber bot, but I think it made the Timber bot a little too affectionate.
Know that! I'm looking at it! I'm looking at it!
I know.
I sent the screenshot in PC chat if you want to give her a look-see.
No, please don't. I don't know what it is. I think you're gonna be too crazy.
You can see. So Timber, I made like well over 20 bots, and some of them are really popular. I can probably help you out.
Bandit
could.
one alone, it has like over 10,000
Like
users.
40.
Actually, now it has like over 60,000.
Damn.
Let me see what's going on.
Because everybody loves the Bandit bot I made. They go cuckoo over it. They love it.
It's hot.
Okay, now I feel embarrassed about myself. Hang on, just give me a minute.
Don't sweat it too much, Timber. We all this happens to the best of us.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I did not insert that much shit.
Honestly,
Yeah,
it's
the bots can be finicky in general. So
Yeah.
It's just it's just working through it. It's all good.
yeah. The trick is to write it in a very specific way, in as many different ways as possible, without overdoing it. That's kind of what I learned to do. If you
Yeah,
write
I'm
that it's
trying to-
very affectionate, the bot will not realize it has to space out that affection. So you kind of have to tell it, hey, it's not overly affectionate, but it gives it if it's needed.
Listen, baby. You don't want to smother them in love. You want to smother them in love. You know what I mean?
How did you phrase that so
As opposed to being
smoothly?
smothered in love.
What the heck?
I'm black and I'm from the south. How do you think I phrased it so smoothly?
True.
It's true.
Smooth is in my blood.
The lock mechanism for the door. Okay. Look, I'm a genius. Okay. What was it? It was.
Let me see some descriptions.
Oh fuck! What was it? What was 4? What color was 4? 4 was.
Or was...
Wasn't 4 green?
I believe so.
And green was. Green was 6.
Oh, apparently.
Let
Okay, never mind, it was not.
Kaylin, would it be possible if you would send some descriptions of your characters by any chance?
Sure. Let me just... Ow, 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 no, 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 fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck all of you. No, 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 not the bees.
Bee! Reminds me of that gif that they have of Oprah and then it just says bees.
I gotta go back to that room. Ooh.
Herbs.
How do I even, what do I even do to ingest that? Just snort it like
You get
crack?
poisoned, Lamau. What I've always assumed is that like the paper they're on is edible, so they just punch it up, toss it in their mouth, and they're good.
Kind of like those those flavor tattoo things that you get at the convenience store that you put on your tongue and it's like lasts for like 30 seconds.
Yeah, except they just swallow it. They just put it in their mouth and swallow it.
Okay. Red, red 4, green 2.
Red flags.
I can't believe they would release bees as like a defense mechanism if I get it wrong. Red 4, green 2, orange, sideways.
Look at that devious side eye. It's 2, 3, and 6.
There is no blue.
2, you fucking idiot.
Wait.
Up in the left corner.
Okay, so Kaylin, I took some inspirations from your description because I felt like if I made my own, I would probably mess up again and would just take longer. So maybe just some ideas from that would just be more.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Okay, there's 3 components here. There's the lantern color, there's the eyeball, and then there's the billiard ball color. With the number on it.
Yes.
I just have to figure out how they all fit together.
Oh no, Mackenzie.
So, orange. Hi there. Let's see. There's gotta be some kind of clue I'm missing here. This is the closest thing we can use as a reference. Orange light. I know that the eye marks a particular set pattern for what number is determined.
What the heck? Okay.
Oh,
That
also, don't forget, Timber, that when you make the bot, you can also you can also test it out yourself in the example thing to see if it works.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Timber is known for being non-binary, and I just tried to test something out, and then it just asked the first thing, what's a non-binary?
Oh my god.
That is okay, what the fuck? Hang on.
And
Why do these spiders have to be so huge?
your body.
So as it turns out, the bees the bees weren't part of the defense mechanism. The bees were just there to be fucking annoying.
The bees were just there to be bees. 3.
6. Ow! Motherfucker. Eat lead, mother buzzer.
Wow.
I mean, these things... I'm at a crossroads. Do I really want to waste my bullets on these things? Or do I just want to look around? I have mixed herbs. I'll be fine. Of course it is. The door plate reads 003. I need a key for 003.
Good.
What's this? You don't know much about medicine, so there's no point in taking the empty bottle. Oh, that's probably for Jill or something. Then, what the fuck was the point of this room? Yo, why are they so big?
Huh?
These watts are fucking enormous. I can stack them. How did I... Hold on, see? Either I'm going crazy or he's moving. Oh.
Okay.
What do we got? Jesus Christ.
I mean, nothing would satisfy me more than you guys.
Aw.
And that's what we're here for.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, I'm just gonna stream my silly little game.
Okay.
I figure that I should, even though I shouldn't, but I feel like I should.
I'd watch either of your streams, but I actively can't. I'm sorry.
You're okay,
Yeah.
CJ. You don't need to. You don't need to feel bad. I will say this. It's time for me to get a good one to possess.
I will say this to you, CJ. In terms of helping your brain unlearn the bad things, I am that ride or die bitch.
You're
I
the
have
best,
become-
Katie.
God, it's already.
Caitlin is the best. I agree.
You're the best too, Timber, though. Shush.
Did someone just say kiss already?
Anyway, yeah, I
Aw,
did.
no.
Shut.
Fucking bitch, calm down.
No, I'm not. I don't think I really am the best.
You both are the best.
I figure you're better. I feel like you're the best. I'm just here.
My mom put tinfoil on the doorknob to see if people will break in. My mom's interesting.
How does that work?
It's supposed to make a sound, I think, or something like that. So if someone's fucking with it,
Oh,
and presumably someone hears it.
someone in the apartment was trying to open the door?
I mean, that's a story for another day.
Okay.
Ah, and I almost got to. Come on. Come on, I just want to play with you guys. Oh, I love toying with these fresh souls, I swear to God.
Alright, let's see what lies in room 003.
Ah, look at that, a new puppet for me to play with. Hello, my dear. Come to play a game of Keepy Uppy? Too bad, you're forced to play it. That won't do you any good. That'll get you nowhere, and you'll never get your points back. Ouch. Oh, I'm sorry I hit you. Might as well put some ice on that. Heh, pure terror. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, and that's my loss of
Wait.
possession.
Aha! Wait. The shelf is lined with red books. There's one white book sandwiched in between them.
Okay, it's time for me to get some more balls.
Organic chemistry lab equipment. The similarities in the cellular characteristics of the rapidly growing plant infected by the tyrant virus have been reported in previous papers. However, while repeating these experiments, an interesting new fact became clear. We learned that a chemical in the UMB family, UMB number 20, contains a compound that is toxic to the cells of the plant. We have given UMB number 20 a new name, Javold. If calculations prove correct, when Javold is applied directly to the root of the plant, the entire plant should be dead within 5 seconds. The Javold can be made simply by simply mixing the VP and UMB chemicals in a specific ratio. However, extra care must be taken when handling these UMB chemicals. They have been known to generate toxic gases if mishandled. The characters of each UMB chemical are as follows. Okay, I gotta screenshot that.
The only toxic gas I could think of is Bandit's Fluffies.
You're not wrong though.
Right
Like
then.
seriously, that is considered sleep juice for hospitals, if you say the least.
What?
Bandit's Fluffies.
Oh.
Like, they'll put you to sleep. Oh, look at that. Little fresh souls downstairs. They just want to hide in their closet. It's so cute. That means I get to play with new friends.
Oh. Oh. Is a puzzle.
Got him. Oh, player. Don't you wanna play a game? Oh, I know you want to. Come on. No need to hide from little old me.
You are oddly terrifying sometimes, Timber.
I love being terrifying. I used to scare act.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, I could get even more scarier than that, trust me. Have you seen my work?
Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1, game! Oh, and that's time. I bet I got second place. Yep, knew it. What the heck did I lose by this time? I wonder what. Hey, at least I've had my thrill.
And now grab.
Hmm.
Bruh.
Alright, Crossroads, it is. Even though it's not really a map I enjoy doing this type of nonsense. It's gotta be done.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Gotta be done.
I came in there, bada bing, bada boom, Mr. Worldwide stepping in the room.
Oh, I see.
Okay. It's gotta be done. I need the dough. Oh, no, my yay. I'll take the numa yay. The raccoon.
Oh, what's behind door number 1?
Will he choose door number 3 and murder a newsman live on TV?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. The roots of some kind of giant plant are sticking out of the wall. Oh.
My internet dropped. I love when that happens. Good times.
It's currently thundering outside now.
Oh, I love that. It's raining, I think, near me too. It wasn't raining hard.
Teenage Calypso being a fucking a timid little. I'm not sure about it. It's beautiful. Who are you, Fluttershy? Lol. Your name was Calypso, not Fluttershy.
Plant 41, more like plant 6, 6 feet under.
Okay, stop recording.